Challenging your biggest worries. By now, you have been watching your thoughts. You have a thought journal. You have started to notice the patterns. You have identified the thought traps that show up most often in your life. Now we get to do something about them. In this module, you will learn a process for challenging your biggest, most anxiety provoking thoughts. In CBT, we call these hot thoughts. They are the ones with the most emotional charge, the ones that hit hardest and linger longest. The process has 8 steps. Work through them slowly. Write your answers down. Do not do this in your head. The act of writing forces a kind of clarity that thinking alone cannot produce. Step 1. Write down the hot thought exactly, not a summary, the actual thought, in the words it arrives in. Step 2. Rate how much you believe it right now, from 0 to 100. This is your starting point. Step 3. What is the evidence that this thought is true? What actual facts support it? Step 4. What is the evidence against it? What facts suggest the thought might be wrong, exaggerated, or only part of the picture? Step 5. Are there any alternative explanations? Other ways of seeing this situation that your anxious mind has not considered? Step 6. What is the worst realistic outcome? Not the catastrophic fantasy, the actual worst case scenario. And if that happened, could you cope with it? Step 7. What would you say to a friend who came to you with this exact thought? Usually, we are far kinder to others than to ourselves. What would that kinder voice say? Step 8. Based on all of this, write a balanced alternative thought. Not a forced positive spin. Not everything is fine. A genuinely more accurate view of the situation. Then rate your belief in the original hot thought again. For most people, it goes down. Not to 0, but down. That is exactly what we want. This takes practice. The first few times you do it, it will feel slow and mechanical. That is normal. The process becomes quicker and more natural over time, until parts of it happen almost automatically. Choose your single biggest recurring worry for this module. Work through all 8 steps with that one thought. Do not rush. Give it the time it deserves.